model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 300 20 TDCI 83k miles beeds engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,989. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knob. Bottom end bearings are squealing. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers.